video, I'm going to model the technique Show Me Boards. If you're experiencing problems such as, I need to work out what all of my students understand, then this technique could be for you. Remember, you can copy the model you see, but you might want to adapt it to your context. If you do decide to adapt it, try to stay true to the features that we think make it effective. These are: ask or display questions or a task that give you important information about what students know. Consider how to word the questions and how challenging to make them. Give clear instructions. State the positive to encourage others to take the actions you want to see. Survey all answers. And make an inference and decide how to act. I'm going to model the thought process in planning for Show Me Boards and also how to deliver it, teaching students about mountains, and I want to check their understanding. I plan to put a statement on the board describing a mountain, and students need to write down the correct name of that type of mountain on their whiteboards and show me. For example, one of the statements is going to be, these mountains are formed when two tectonic plates collide and the crust buckles. Students will need to write down the answer they think is correct and to show me. However, the final type of mountain, which is volcanic mountains, is quite easy for students to remember from a description. Therefore, I'm going to make it a bit more challenging by asking, what's the final type of mountain and how is it formed? This means that students will have to think harder. I'm now going to show a model of how to deliver the technique Show Me Boards, including using really clear instructions. In a moment, I'll display a statement and you will write down the mountain type on your board that you think is correct. You will then hold your board upside down in front of you and hover it. When I say show me, you will hold up your board for me to see. In silence, first statement, off you go. I can see good hovering from the back row and from the middle row. Now, show me. It looks as if all students have got that first one correct, so I know I can move on to the next statement. Next statement, on the board, off you go. Good hovering from the middle row. And the back row. Now, show me. I can see that some people have got this incorrect, so I know I'm going to need to go over this mountain type.